Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today is a really happy day for me. I planted these western red cedar pieces of fronds in here, and I came over today to see if we had any roots on them, and we do. See the roots on there? I'm going to plant these in a 1 gallon mix, and over here some compost with some maple leaf that's been composted, and then we have some perlite. I'm going to mix this up to give it some air. This is kind of wet, and put a little extra perlite in here. It's going to need more air. Okay, so first thing I do is I'll fill it up about this tall. That's definitely going to be another tree. Now this one, oh wow, this one's a grand fir. Oh my goodness. These trees get to be over 150 feet tall, and the way you can tell them on the needles, it comes across flat, and there's 2 different angles. These are the ones that smell like Christmas trees when you walk by them without even being cut down. It's one of my favorite trees, so we're really excited about these. See if there's some more in here. Oh, there's another one. The root growing out of it. All they did was just take a cutting right off of the tree and put it in this peat moss and sand, and it's been here probably about 3 months. And here we have a little root growing out of there. That one's going to grow, but it takes a little bit longer. We're going to do another experiment here. We're going to put white cedars, taking some of the cuttings here off the side without compromising the privacy screen. Okay, that should be enough. Let's see what we got over here. So I've got a little substrate here. I packed it down to get the air out because it's important when you're doing these types of cuttings not to have a lot of air in there. So here we have a cutting, and I'll just cut off the bottom parts. I'll cut off most of the trim on the top, so most of the energy will go back to growing the roots. I score the bottom so it'll want to grow back like that. And then I'll stick this in this box here for the cuttings. And I've done another one here similar like that. Here's a large one that I've done. Got to take off as many of these ones on top as possible. Okay. And the idea is to grow more of these trees so we can plant them on our property and not have to go out and spend $50 to $60 for every single tree.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see.
So this all paid off because we have a bunch of other cuttings here that I did this to a few months ago, and we're going to have trees from those. What I'm doing right now is I'm taking some Japanese maple cuttings and we're going to put them inside of our little substrate tray here. I've already watered this really good. I just need to trim these up. Some of these leaves I'll just cut them in half so the nutrients will go on the bottom. Okay. The tree that I took these off of are about a $350 tree. And maybe leave one leaf on there.
From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be.
More of the Chinese maple cuttings here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the bottom again and give the top a haircut. As you can see, so the nutrients will go to the bottom of the tree. And that's it. We'll come back in about 2 to 3 months. I'm going to make sure that cuttings stay moist. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you'll be notified when we have more videos like this.
In the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go, take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell